drank the Kool-Aid, bro. He has the blicky, bro. Look at him.
Run from me.
Yo, there's a floating blicky, bro. Kill the blicky. Kill the blicky.
Shoot him. Yo, they're after me. Yo, what is this?
I don't think I'm not.
Yo, go after the ones picking up items, dude.
Fucking in-game is. We gotta tell like your mic shoot. Yo, it's another potion.
Yo, he's chugging, bro. Fuck you, bro.
Give me the drinks, bro.
Get the fuck out of here.
Throw him out. Throw him out, bro. He's an alcoholic, bro.
Get...
No. You ain't taking me to court.
Yo, he's trying to drink the fuck.
These motherfuckers.
Shit, what the fuck? He's invisible.
Yo, Ryan knocked me out because I was invisible.
Fucking
No.
Ryan, bro.
Fuck out of here,
Oh
bitch.
shit, dude.
Get these haymakers, bitch.
Yo, I beat the shit out of Ryan, bro.
Bro, it's a 2v1, bro. It's a...
Yo, what's up?
Let's go.
Oh, shit.
He's still going after me first, bro. Yo, I know I'm the biggest threat, but chill out.
Yo, man. Yo, sit the fuck down, buddy.
Yeah.
I'm dead. He beat the shit out of me, bro. He beat the shit out of me.
Yo, oh shit.
Nah, get up. We doing this, bitch.
Yo.
Get up, come on. Beat.
Yeah, what's up, man?
I'm already dead, Chewy. What is this?
Oh shit! No! The bomb!
Nah, come here, bitch.
Oh
Look at that
shit.
punch him, dude. Look at that punch. Look at that duck. Oh shit,
What's
bro.
up? What's up then?
What's up then? Yo, I killed myself. Get up. Yeah.
Yo, we ending this like real men. Oh shit.
And the WWE title goes to me.
Yeah, you thought? Oh shit.
Yeah, stop. Bitch, get out of my ring.
Oh shit, what the fuck? He's so good. You just threw him off. Oh shit, look at this.
Catch these haymakers. Come on, Sergio, catch these haymakers, bro.
Come on. Oh.
Wow, I know how to use these. I know how to use these.
Yo, he whipped me off the map. Oh shit. Oh shit, I'm getting targeted. Hey.
Oh shit, dude, that was the cleanest jump kick I've seen.
Yeah.
Yo, so clean, I got knocked out for so long, bro.
Yo, I fucking just knocked him out, bro. Yo, I just Goomba stomped the fucking Kong, bro, and he got. I heard the bing sound effect. Come here, Kong. Oh shit!
yeah, oh, yeah, oh,
shit!
yeah,
He
oh,
knocked the shit out. Yo, look how I'm folded, bro.
I'm just chilling. Ah!
The power might be. Yo, get him on my big, you know.
Oh, the castle falls.
Fucking Chewy.
Yo, Bink.
Oh shit. Yo, this
Get over here, bro.
this-
I'm not done with you.
Fucking Sergio's just fucking drop kicking everybody, bro. Oh shit.
Bink. Yo, get over here. Yo.
Holy shit, that was an insane kick, bro. That was an insane kick.
Beat. Oh shit. I'm the one who got beat. Yo, I'm slumped, bro.
Oh shit, dude, I'm slipping on bananas again.
With the beat.
Wait, what the fuck, Ryan? You just headbutted the shit out of me, bro.
Yo, me and Kong always have the craziest fights, bro.
Yeah, that's why I'm dragging you by your head. Come with me.
I ain't going nowhere, bitch. Bitch. Crazy motherfucker. Oh,
No!
sorry.
No!
But
yeah. Oh. No! No!
I'm sorry, Luke. I am your father.
God damn it.
Anna's rude. Yeah!
What the fuck?
Yo,
Yo, that was a clean ass punch, Ryan. What the fuck?
it was so clean. I walked off the map.
Oh shit, dude.
Kill the otter, bro. He has the Glock.
Yo, fuck up this bitch.
Yo, as he says that, fucking like beelines right to me, bro.
I was running, bro. This guy is crazy.
I'm sorry, Chewy.
Fuck him up.
Yeah. Team.
This shit is crazy.
Oh shit.
Yo, get off
No.
me, bitch.
Oh. You don't want to grab me either.
I tripped on the bananas. Yo, get up.
Oh.
Bitch.
Oh, 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 oh. Ah! Oh fuck, I'm slipping on these bananas. Hey yo! Hey yo! Hey, now it's your time to slip on these nuts. Not as a proof. Wait, watch this. This is an insane plan right here.
Yo, who's drinking the potion, bro?
Oh, fuck, dude, never mind. It's not an insane plan, bro.
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, there's.
Hey yo!
Yo, that's Chewy, bro. I was like, what the fuck?
Fuck up this kid, bro. Where's this kid at?
He's on the ground, bro.
He's drinking potions, bro. He's drinking illegal substance.
Bro, leave me alone.
Nah, Chewy, that's what you get for using an item, bitch.
Oh!
Damn, your dumbass is fat as fuck, bro.
Yeah, that's why you picked the crocodile. Yeah.
No.
How do you pick up a shovel?
You
You just walk up to it and hold left.
yeah.
Watch this.
My dude's retarded.
Nope.
Yo, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
Yeah, I'm trying to cool, dude. Oh shit. I have the vision. Oh fuck!
Yo, Chewy's gonna win it again.
Yo, he's dangerous, bro. Get the fuck out of here. What? Oh, shit. Got him, bro. Get this motherfucker out of here.
Yeah, the item using ass.
Oh god, bro, this guy only uses items, bro. He has no hands.
Dude, he's the final boss.
Yo,
Yo.
Yo, I sniped him with that banana, bro.
oh god.
That was crazy.
No.
Oh!
Yeah. Yeah. I did you see you?
I was gonna roll and then jump kick his ass, but I
Dude, I s-
jumped off, bro.
Bro, dude, all I saw was you run across the map and then you just fly off. As you're explaining to Sergio how to use weapon items, bro.
Watch this. If you run in the middle click, you roll.
True.
Oh fuck.
Bam!
Oh, what the fuck?
Wow.
How'd you hit me, bro? The hitbox.
Guys, oh shit, he has a blink!
Yo.
I was trying to hit him.
I saw that, bro. I saw that. I was like,
There's a guy with a gun.
Yo, he has a blicky, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
It's the guy with a gun. Oh,
shit.
fuck,
Oh
dude.
shit! Yo, they knocked each other out, bro.
What the hell, man? I got knocked out by the bomb. What the hell? You're right. You dead? Oh, never mind.
Yo.
Watch this snipe. Watch this snipe. Oh,
Yo, I'm fucking stuck
what
on
is
it.
going on? What is
I'm getting ran,
Oh, shit.
I'm getting ran over, bro. Yo, what the? Yo, what the fuck is that?
Yo, I'm stuck, bro.
That was the most anticlimactic thing ever, bro.
I died to a bug, bro. What the fuck?
Hold left.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck?
Yo, I got you, bro. I got you. We can't let this otter win, bro. Oh!
Otter, dude, you a piece of shit.
Yo, I'm so dead, bro. What the fuck?
Man, what the fuck? Where were you,
I
right?
fell off the map and I just run on the treadmill, bro. This motherfucker-
Yeah, get the fuck out of here, Ryan.
Get up! Get up! No!
Yeah, your punches don't compare to me. Oh,
Oh! He's on drugs, bro! He's on drugs! Kills illegal substance.
yo, he's on illegal substance.
Yo, get away! No!
Yo, we gotta get Chewy, bro. We can't leave him alone, bro.
Yo, this shouldn't even do anything?
Oh, it's doing something. It's doing something. He's shooting the fuck out of me.
Yo, this shit, yo, it's just so useless.
Zigzag, bro. Zigzag.
Yo, fuck?
He ran out of bullets.
Bro, that's just so dumb. Oh shit, the banana peel.
Oh!
Watch this shit, bro. Oh!
Oh, shit. Oh, I saw that.
Watch this shit. Oh shit!
How do I get back on, bro?
Yeah, jump kick, bro. Jump kick.
Oh,
Yo, he has a blicky, bro.
Oh my god!
Yo!
like, just down this thing. You'll be fine. Oh, no, you'll not be fine.
Oh shit.
Oh!
Yo, what the fuck, the banana peel?
Guys, it's my time to use items. Fuck.
No, it ain't, bitch.
No, I'll get it up. I'll get it up.
Bitch!
Switch lanes. Switch lanes.
Yo, he's on drugs! He's on drugs! Yo, who let him get the subsistence, bro?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Gotcha,
oh,
bitch.
shit.
Oh shit! Yo!
You ain't catching me.
Wink. Wink.
Yeah. Say turn around.
Yo!
You'll get juked,
Jesus
bitch.
Christ.
You'll get juked.